Last year, Honor turned heads with the ultra-slim Magic V2, measuring a mere 9.9mm thick. Now, they're back with the Honor Magic V3, and it's packed with even more impressive features. First off, let's talk about that slim design. The Magic V3 is just 9.2mm thin, which is even slimmer than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, which comes in at 12.1mm. Not just that, even the watered-down variant called Magic V3S measures in at 9.8mm. Honor clearly means business. Magic V3 is lighter too, weighing 226 grams compared to the Z Fold 6's 239 grams. Even the heaviest variant of the Magic V3 is only 230 grams. The hinge is another standout feature, and it's the reason why this foldable is as slim as it is. It measures just 2.84mm and can withstand up to 500,000 folds. Plus, it's got an IPX8 rating, so it can handle water up to 2.5 meters deep. Now, let's move on to those screens. The Magic V3 has a 7.92 2-inch foldable display with a 2344 by 2156 resolution and a 6.43-inch cover screen with a 2376 by 1060 resolution. The company claims 5000 nits of peak brightness for HDR content and 1800 nits global peak brightness, so you know they are bright. Not sure if these figures are for both screens or just the cover display. In any case, whether you're watching videos or just scrolling through social media, everything should look fantastic. Under the hood, you'll find a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, so it's got plenty of power. There's also a larger vapor chamber cooling system to keep things running smoothly during intense use. The battery is a solid 5150 mAh and supports 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, a big step up from the Magic V2. For the camera setup, the Magic V3 has a triple rear camera system. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel 3.5x periscope lens. Both the main and cover screens have a 20-megapixels camera for selfies and video calls. In addition, Honor Magic V3 is the first to release a dual satellite version, which is also the first Android phone to support dual satellite communication. As for the price, it starts at 8,999 yuan, around $1,240 for the 12 plus 256 gigs variant, and goes up to 10,999 yuan, around $1,515 for the 16 plus 1 terabyte model. While it's currently launched in China, we're hoping it won't take long to see a global release. Drop a comment below on what feature you're most pumped about, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest tech.